Hey, Mule. Hey, I just wanted to demonstrate another issue that I'm having. And again, thank you for all the help that you've been to me uh, in this process. I've just about got everything sorted out the way that I want it. And here's a quick screenshot of my games collection that I'm putting together here. So this is what the end result is going to be. So some of these games have VGA remakes, like this King's Quest one, for example. And it requires an install, whereas a lot of these others are ran through DOSBox, so you don't have to, install them into Windows. So that's why I'm using Cameyo, and it's really nice just to be able to keep everything in one place. So to that end, what I wanted to do was set up this package, the packages for these games that I'm using Cameyo with, to use data storage under the same folder, under the executables directory, so that it would, put the folder here with all the Cameyo files, and all that stuff, just to kind of keep everything nice, neat in one place. However, that is presenting an issue. So the issue is that if I, let's say, go into the setup module, let's say I want to run in a window instead of full screen. So I've already selected this, and it's maintained the setting. Save. And then I try to launch the game. Okay, as you can see, the game goes full screen. Okay, so in contrast, if I go into here and change the data storage to default, save package, and I try the same thing, in a window, save. It works. So I'm not totally sure why this is. It's like it's not reading the configuration file correctly or something. I noticed in here in changes, it's got this changes folder, but also program folder. I'm not sure how all this works, but there's this ACS setup.cfg, in which it has all those parameters from the setup module. So there's windowed right there. So that's a 0 in this one, but in changes, it is a 1. So I'm not sure how this is exactly supposed to work, but it's whatever is going on. It's not. It's interesting because it can remember the changes from that I make to the setup module, but then it doesn't enact them. Well, anyways, if I let's see, put this back to under the executables directory. If I go in here to the setup module, just to show you, and I do save and run from this module, it works. So, not sure what's going on. If you have any ideas, it would be much appreciated. Thanks.